In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 different types of digital products that you can build and sell inside of Kajabi, even if you are on the basic plan where you are limited to only 3 products. By the way, if you want to take advantage of a free 30-day trial of Kajabi to play with the platform yourself, you can use my link profityourknowledge.com/Kajabi. This is an affiliate link, so I get a small percentage of your investment in Kajabi, but there's no extra cost to you compared to if you went through Kajabi's website yourself. All this does is simply support me and this channel for referring someone to Kajabi. But when you sign up with my link, I'm going to give you instant access to a course I created called Kajabi Kickstart, which is going to help you set up and launch your online business with Kajabi in that first 30 days. On top of that, when you're inside of Kajabi Kickstart, you will have access to a free 45-minute coaching session with me where you and I both get to deep dive into your Kajabi account, and I will be there to answer any questions you have about Kajabi, marketing, or even making your first sale with the platform. All of this is free, and you can get instant access by going to profityourknowledge.com/Kajabi or clicking the link down in the description. Without further ado, let's dive into Kajabi. When we go over to the products tab in Kajabi, you can click on all products. It'll show you the different products you have. I just have one built in here. If we go over to new product though, these are the 4 major ones. And then I'm also going to show you a little bonus product that you can sell as well. We have an online course, which you can sell all of these. You can sell your podcast. You can have a paid version and just host your free regular podcast as well. Or you can have 2 different types. You can just host your podcast and then have a free version as well. I do have a podcast. It's the Profit Your Knowledge podcast, but I don't host mine in Kajabi because I don't need to. And I've been doing it since before I was using Kajabi, and I've just stuck with that. I use Anchor, which is now Spotify for podcasters. Another reason is that it's free and it doesn't take up any of my products, but it also gets me on every major platform like Google Podcasts, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts, and a bunch of other ones like Podchaser and Bulldog and things I've never even heard of. So I don't even do that. But you can, if I was going to have a paid version of my podcast, then I would host it inside of Kajabi. You can also host your own coaching programs, which is really cool. This is another thing where I don't host coaching programs inside of Kajabi, but you can. You can sell your own coaching programs in here, and I have videos where I dive into each one of these in a lot more depth. I'm just kind of giving you an idea of the different types of products that you can sell so you can make money in your business. Coaching program though, you get live video conferencing, calendar integrations like Calendly, or they even have scheduling tools that are built in with Kajabi now, and you can even host your coaching program inside of Kajabi, which is really cool. For me, when I meet with clients, I just use Zoom, and I have a Google folder for them that's shared so I can see like their sales copy and lead magnets and things that they're building. And then, it's pretty much it. And then I also use Voxer as well, but I'll make another video where I actually go into like how I structure my coaching program. So I think that'd be really helpful for people. You get video content that you can add inside of here and audio content as well. And you have shared notes, which is pretty cool, but that's why I just use my Google folder. And then you also have exclusive downloads only for your coachees, we'll say. Coaching programs, you can customize quite a bit, actually. You can decide if you want a single session, a package, and how many sessions are going to be included, like 12 sessions if you meet for 12 weeks or whatever it is. Change up the name, decide on price points, all that kind of stuff. And then we have community. You can actually have your own paid communities. They can also be free, but I mean, if you're going to have a free community, you can just use Facebook, whatever you want. But I think that this is really cool if you're going to have a membership site or some sort of paid community that you want to run, and you can customize all the colors and the look and feel, all that cool stuff, which you can do with all of these. The different features that you get with a paid community is you get to have live video where you can show up in your community, do live videos. You get a mobile app, which is really cool. So people can download that app. Facebook, you get the Facebook app. But it's everything else that Facebook is. You can just go straight to your community inside of the mobile app, which is really cool. Video recordings, you get challenges and meetups, which are really cool as well. Meetups, kind of like just people inside the group want to meet up together, start to work with each other, connect with each other. And you do get a post feed, which is a lot like a Facebook group. But the challenges are really cool. And you can customize your own challenges and challenge your community, keep them engaged. That's really the biggest thing. But yeah, if we click get started, You can call it, whatever you want. I'll just say test. And then, yeah, paid, free, obviously paid. If you did a community, I wouldn't recommend doing a one-time unless you did like a year long, but you would change that in your offers section. If it was like pay for a whole year of the community, typically it's going to be a subscription, and then you can decide like if it's going to be $27 per month or $97 per month or whatever you want to price it at. Build every, we'll just keep that 47, we'll say, build every 1 month, every month they get billed $47 to be inside of this, and then you can pick your payment type as well. All right. I'm not going to go too deep into it. Again, I have different videos where I show you all the ins and outs of community, the coaching tab, podcast. Online course is the other one. This is the option to turn your knowledge into a world-class learning experience. Build a course that helps you connect with your audience and grow your business. Available features. You have video content, audio content, text lessons, quizzes and surveys, membership area, which is cool. The membership area, I did a video on this, and it's you being able to go live inside of your course, but you get up to 200 people, which is a pretty good amount of people. So yeah, if you have 300 people or 250, you can send an email out to your course and be like, hey, I'm doing a live session this week where it's going to be a Q&A. Register down below, and then just know that I'm only limited to 200 people inside of this group. Some people are like, oh, wow. It's like, well, by the way, there's 300 people that are signed up. So make sure you take advantage of this. So you can ask me any of your questions that you have, and you can go through as many questions as you want, but it's all done inside of Kajabi, which is really, really cool. Exclusive downloads, et cetera, get started. You can call it whatever you want. I don't generate a sample course outline. Yep, pick your image, and then obviously your pricing, subscription, multi-pay, one time, pick price, whatever you want. And then, and then you go into the actual course builder in and of itself. But online courses are probably, the best program that I would say. I would say if you are on, it's the best one to focus on. If you are on the basic plan of Kajabi, where you only get 3 products, I would say focus on a mini course that was like $50 or $100. That's like your mini course. And then you can have a flagship course as well that could be anywhere from like $200 to $500 or something like that, depending on what you do. That's like your big course. And then after that, I would say have a paid community. I think that those 3 courses, like entry level, the main course, paid community, and then host your coaching outside of it. That's kind of what I'd recommend. But again, it depends on your business. These are the main 4 that you have. But I did promise that there are 5 different types of products that you can build in here. I'm going to show you some ninja tricks right now. You get a course, podcast, community, coaching. Here's the 5th one that you can do. You are limited on the basic plan to 3 products. And the growth plan, it's 15 products, which is pretty cool. But you're still limited on products. So even if you capped out the amount of products that you have, I challenge you to make better products and have fewer products. That's my challenge for you. But if we go over to the sales tab, we have offers. And I have a bunch of different offers inside of here. The offers tab is really cool because you get unlimited offers, which is big, okay? So down here, I made a video on how to set this whole thing up. I made an offer where you don't need to link it to any products. You just create an offer. Every time you create an offer, you get a checkout page where people can give you their credit card for that offer. So what you can do is create a digital download like an ebook. And your ebook can be built inside of canva.com, which is, I made a whole video where I go super deep into this, not going to go crazy deep into it. What I want you to understand is that you can build offers and then sell those offers. You can bundle the 3 different products that you have together, or just 2 of them, and create a single offer and then add the different products inside of here. You can add multiple products inside of any offer that you decide to create. But if you're going to deliver an ebook or some sort of digital download that's like an ebook that doesn't use the Kajabi course creation platform or community tab or their coaching program, it was just like, here's your digital download, but you're going to pay for it. That's where you create the offer. And then down below, you can send them to, you're not going to send them to the product library because that's only for Kajabi products that they have, like an online course or community. That's the product. So instead, you would send them to a landing page where you can send them over to a thank you page where, they buy your product. they go over through the checkout process for your ebook, which you can change the pricing for. I put it as $7. And if you watch that video, it's more of like a tripwire kind of product. I don't like that term tripwire, but that's what it is. And yeah, as soon as they pay for the checkout page, as soon as they pay for your ebook, they're going to get sent to the thank you page. And the thank you page says, hey, thanks for picking up your ebook. Cool. And then down here is a default email, custom email, or none, which is what I would do. And then down here, we have when this offer is purchased, an automation, send an email. So with automations, when the offer is purchased, then send them an email, and then you get to customize that email, which is what I did here. Okay, so when it's purchased, then send an email, change up your subject line, you can customize all of this, and right here is the link to download the ebook. So as soon as they purchase this ebook, this email gets sent to them and says, hey, click here to download your ebook. You got your $7 or whatever price point you set it at, and then they get the ebook automatically delivered, and that is how you can kind of get around that 3-product limit. But this is the other product that you can sell. This is the super secret one, is you can sell other types of products. They just have to be a digital download like that, and it's not going to take up one of your actual product tabs. If you haven't tried out Kajabi yet and you're still thinking about it, consider looking into my link down in the description, profityourknowledge.com/Kajabi. You'll get a 30-day free trial, a free course from me that shows you how to set up and launch your business with a marketing funnel, product, sales page, everything in the first 30 days of that trial that you have. And you'll get a one-to-one coaching call with me where I'll sit down with you, coach you through any questions you have about Kajabi marketing, sales, coming up with a product idea, your business idea, whatever it is. I'm there to just pour my heart and soul into you to help you feel very confident in using Kajabi and being able to grow your online business. Again, link in the description, profityourknowledge.com/Kajabi. Let me know if you have any other questions about creating different products inside of Kajabi and the type of products that you can build inside of Kajabi. And if I did answer all of your questions in here about digital products inside of Kajabi, I'd love to hear your thoughts in a comment below. I hope this is helpful. I hope it was insightful for you, and I will see you in the next one.